If you run a one-person business today, your workspace likely looks like this: 47 open tabs, 7 different software subscriptions, and a constant loop of copying and pasting just to keep things afloat. We were told generative AI would save us time. Instead, it created a new, unpaid job: full-time prompt engineer. This is the prompting paradox. Current tools are reactive. They sit idle, accomplishing zero work, until you sit down and manually type out specific instructions. Because these tools don't communicate, you spend your hours context switching. You generate text in one window, copy it to an image creator, and then manually schedule the result in a separate dashboard. This fragmentation keeps you as the primary bottleneck of your own business. You end the day exhausted from managing software rather than executing strategy. Scaling a one-person operation requires abandoning the search for the perfect prompt in favor of adopting a unified team. Operly replaces that chaos with a single workspace built around proactive delegation, giving you a team that shows up without being asked. The operational philosophy here is to move away from chat boxes and into a system where you delegate outcomes. Within this environment, you have 3 distinct specialized agents: a chief operating officer, a chief marketing officer, and an executive assistant. The CMO agent operates as a creative studio. It generates images, videos, blogs, and social posts, all calibrated to your specific brand voice. While the CMO creates, the EA and COO handle logistics. They triage inboxes, manage calendars, and make operational decisions independently. Sharing a unified memory, they pass context back and forth, collaborating on tasks without needing a human to connect the dots. AI utility is defined by the capacity to execute multi-step business functions independently across departments. This structure enables asynchronous work. The most significant progress for your business happens entirely overnight, while you are offline and sleeping. Operly uses an autonomy engine to initiate tasks and take decisive action without waiting for a user prompt. As the system works, it uses its shared memory to iterate, getting more aligned with your specific business goals every week. While standard AI tools just sit idle, Operly spends the dark hours drafting content and organizing your schedule before you wake up. Severing your operational output from your waking hours removes the traditional ceiling on solo productivity. This is most apparent at 8 a.m. on a Tuesday, before you've had your first cup of coffee. Instead of you opening a dashboard to start issuing demands, Operly texts you first. The morning brief contains an inbox already triaged, a calendar held, and operational decisions queued for simple approval. You step into a workday where the preliminary actions are already finished, leaving only high-level direction for the human. You trade the exhaustion of managing 47 tabs as an operator for the role of a leader reviewing a single brief. By consolidating fragmented tools into a proactive AI team, the solopreneur moves out of the operational bottleneck to assume the role of an executive.